Hey everybody, ever misplaced your keys, your wallet? That super important thing you can't find anywhere? It's so frustrating. Well, say goodbye to those moments of panic with Apple AirTags. These tiny but mighty gadgets are about to revolutionize the way you keep track of your belongings. Seriously, they're like little lifesavers for your stuff. AirTags are small, lightweight trackers that you can attach to just about anything. Pop one on your keys, your backpack, even your luggage. The possibilities are endless. Once attached, they use the awesome power of the Find My app to help you locate your items whenever, wherever. Lost your keys? No problem. AirTags to the rescue. They're super easy to use and integrate seamlessly with your iPhone or iPad. And don't even worry about privacy. Apple's got you covered on that front too. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the magic of Apple AirTags. One of the coolest things about AirTags is how seamlessly they connect with your Apple devices. We're talking like crazy easy. Just bring the AirTag close to your iPhone or iPad and boom, it connects instantly. It's like magic, but with more Bluetooth. Once your AirTag is connected, it'll show up in the Find My app. This app is seriously your new best friend for, well, finding things. It shows you exactly where your AirTagged items are on a map, so you're never left wondering, where did I put that? But wait, there's more. If you're within Bluetooth range, the Find My app can even play a sound on your AirTag to help you pinpoint its location. So if your keys have decided to play hide and seek under a pile of laundry, you can just make them sing out loud. No more turning the house upside down. But what if you're not within Bluetooth range? Don't worry, AirTags have got you covered there too. Thanks to the incredible Find My network, you can track your belongings even if they're miles away. How cool is that? The Find My network leverages hundreds of millions of Apple devices around the world. So if someone walks past your lost item with an AirTag attached, you'll get a notification with its location. It's like having a global search party in your pocket. And if you have an iPhone with a U1 chip, that's iPhone 11 or later, you can use precision finding. This seriously takes finding your stuff to a whole new level. It uses spatial awareness to guide you with on-screen arrows directly to your AirTag. Talk about finding things with pinpoint accuracy. Section 4, privacy and security, keeping your mind at ease. Now you might be thinking, that's great, but what about privacy? And that's a perfectly valid question. But don't worry, Apple has taken privacy and security very seriously with AirTags. AirTags use end-to-end encryption, which means that only you can see the location of your AirTagged items. Nobody else, not even Apple, can access your location data. Plus, AirTags are designed to prevent unwanted tracking. So if someone else's AirTag ends up in your belongings, your iPhone will alert you. How's that for peace of mind? Section 5, technical specifications and compatibility. Okay, let's talk tech specs. AirTags are tiny, but they're packed with features. Battery life. These little guys run on a standard CR2032 battery that lasts for over a year. Plus, you can easily replace it yourself. Water resistance. Spilled your drink on your bag? No worries, AirTags are IP67 water and dust resistant, so they can handle a little splash or two. Connectivity. AirTags use Bluetooth technology to connect to your Apple devices. And with the U1 chip on newer iPhones, you get that super precise precision finding. AirTags are compatible with a wide range of Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, and even iPod Touches. Just make sure your device is running iOS 14.5 or later. So there you have it, Apple AirTags, the ultimate tracking solution. They're small, they're easy to use, and they give you that extra peace of mind knowing you can always find your stuff. No more stressing over lost keys or misplaced wallets. Happy tracking.